Have you ever wondered what role spike proteins play in COVID-19? These protrusions that stud the surface of the virus are more than just decoration. They're crucial for the virus's ability to infect us. Picture these spike proteins as keys. They bind to a specific lock known as ACE2 receptors on our cells. Once they find a match and bind, they facilitate the entry of the virus into our cells. In essence, these spike proteins are the keys that allow the virus to unlock and enter our cells. So, how exactly do these spike proteins contribute to the spread of COVID-19? Let's dive into it. Spike proteins are the key players in the game of viral infection. These protruding structures sit on the surface of the SARS-CoV-2 virus like spiky crowns. Their primary role? To bind to ACE2 receptors on human cells. This binding is the first step in a chain of events that leads to the virus infiltrating our cells. Think of the spike protein as a burglar with a unique set of lockpicks. The ACE2 receptor on our cells is the lock. When the spike protein binds to the ACE2 receptor, it's as if the burglar has successfully picked the lock, gaining entry into our cells. Once inside, the virus uses our own cellular machinery to replicate itself, leading to the spread of infection throughout the body. This is not just a simple break and enter, it's a hostile takeover. But why do some COVID-19 cases become severe? Well, one reason is abnormal blood clotting. Some patients with severe COVID-19 have been found to have an unusually high number of blood clots, which can lead to serious complications such as stroke or heart attack. Spike proteins, therefore, serve as the primary initiators of the COVID-19 infection process. They're not just the key to the virus's success, they're also a potential target for therapies designed to stop the virus in its tracks. Now that we understand the role of spike proteins, it's time to recap. These protruding structures on the surface of SARS-CoV-2 are essential for the virus to infiltrate human cells. They latch onto ACE2 receptors, setting the infection process in motion. In severe cases of COVID-19, we've observed an association with abnormal blood clotting. This is where Nattokinase, a potent enzyme derived from fermented soybeans, enters the picture. Known for its ability to break down fibrin, a protein involved in blood clot formation, Nattokinase is under exploration for its potential inhibitory effect on the activity of spike proteins. This could limit the virus's ability to gain entry into our cells. With ongoing clinical trials and growing interest in natural therapies, we're striving to understand Nattokinase's potential role in managing COVID-19 complications better. The understanding of these spike proteins is key to comprehending the nature of COVID-19 and how it affects our bodies. Legal disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only and not medical advice. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment below. And remember to always live well, my friends.